Hello friends! We use different means of transport for different purposes. So today we will learn about all these means of transport and why they are used. In cities there are proper roads. So people travel by cars, taxis, buses and auto rickshaws. Many people ride cycles, motorcycles and scooters to go from one place to another. Do you know? The Spanish post office uses yellow scooters for delivering their post, which are called working bikes. In villages, there are no proper roads and people travel in bullock carts. People also travel in tongas. In sandy places like desert, the camel is used to pull carts called the camel cart. Do you know? The camel is known as the ship of the desert. It has broad feet which prevent it from sinking into the sand and help it to travel long distances. In places where there are mountains and in hilly regions with no roads, it is the donkey or mule that is used to carry goods from one place to another. In cities, we use buses to travel from one place to another. These are the cheapest mode of transport. Buses are easily found and people can move from place to place without much trouble. Auto rickshaws are also used for traveling from one place to another in the city. They can easily be got and are used by people for reaching their destination quickly. The taxi is another means of transport in the city. Taxis are cars with a lot of space so that 4 to 5 persons can travel together, and there is also space for keeping luggage. Trains are also used for reaching far off places in a short time. Trains pass through various stations and connect many places, making it very useful for the people. In big cities, there are local trains for traveling to various places in the city. Trains are easy means of transport. They run on the tracks. The metro train is one of the fastest means of land transport which run on electricity. In places where large water bodies are available, such as seas, ocean, lake and rivers, people use the boat or raft to travel from one place to another. Ships are used to travel far off places across the oceans. It also carries heavy loads from one country to another. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. Aeroplanes fly in air and are used by people to travel from one city to another or to far off places. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport, so long distances can be covered in a short time. Helicopter is another means of air transport. It is used normally in areas which cannot be easily reached and is used to carry people as well as goods. Let us summarize. There are different means of transport in cities, villages and hilly areas. Vehicles help us to travel from one place to another. We use different types of vehicles on roads and in water and air. Some vehicles are pulled by animals.